Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another day on Advent. It's day 22. It's the 22nd of December. So we've got another Advent of the Haynes Electronic Games Advent Calendar. So let's see what part is behind door 22. I think we're nearly finished this. Can't believe it's almost Christmas. Where has this year gone? Oh, another resistor. See, no negative thoughts about resistors. Resistors are good. Resistors are a new game. So let's see what the book says. Day 22. Stroboscope and sound effects. Warning: this product involves flashing lights. Really? Really? Find on the resistor, 150 kiloohm resistor. Brown, green, yellow. Start strobe. Right. Stroboscope, which causes the attached LEDs to emit short flashing simultaneously. Okay. Let me get on with similar effects with the piezo loud speaker. So let me get this reconfigured and see what exactly we're going to be doing with the stroboscope. Okay, reconfigured. The resistors in the same place, the new resistors in the place that they usually go. LEDs have been reconfigured, they have the yellow and the red back. Excuse me. Cables are all in the same place. Everything looks fine. Now, strobe sound effects, it does state that you can use these to change the strobe. There's got to be a warning here if anybody's whatever with flashy lights, please don't watch from now on. But please do a like and subscribe. Thank you. So, power on. Killer in it. So it actually says that if you put things in front of it while the flashing lights are going, but also in the dark, apparently it looks amazing. I can't see where my camera is. No, that's not doing anything either. That's my hand in front of the camera, which you can't really see. So, yeah, it works, but no, it doesn't. Actually, have I got a torch? Yeah. Hold on, let me try that again with the torch. There's a barely strobe effect. Put that torch on my hand, it doesn't do anything, but that's... Yeah, I'm sure that doesn't come across on the camera anyway. So let me try and get the light back on. So anybody who's epileptic or has got other problems with flashing lights, you can carry on looking now. Although if you're going away, you won't do. So it can be used for something, I'm sure. But it's just a stroboscope and tapping noises. I hoped for a bit more noise than that, but no, that's fine. You can obviously alter with those two, but nice little quick project. There's a lot of good things with this kit. It's nice little projects that you could think you could expand something on, you could develop more, you could do something with it. Maybe even make your own board and make it into just stick on one project, or even get a small breadboard and solder up one of these things with these components and make it permanent. So yeah, it's a good idea. It makes you think. I think something like this just make you think of making something out of this. So it's quite a good little project. 3 days Christmas. Good luck on getting your shopping. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye for now.